If you take average advice from average people, how can you expect to be anything else other than average? This is a quote from a book called Unscripted. Think about the people that you take advice from. Are they where you want to be? Do they have more money than you? Are they more fit than you? Are they in a better position in their life? If not, then why are you listening to them? A lot of people get advice from average people, from people who are just living mundane, boring lives. If you listen to those people, if you do exactly what everyone else is doing, you're going to be exactly like everyone else. But if you want to live an above average lifestyle, if you want to be towards the top, if you want to be at the top, if you want to do something great and be different, you need to listen to people that are doing something different and you need to take different actions. But if you just continue to live the exact same day, day after day after day, listen to average people, eat the average food, you're in the exact same average locations, you are literally going to be average. And the average person's life is not that glamorous. Just look around. Majority of people, they're not living the most extravagant, most amazing life. It doesn't need to be extravagant, but they're not living the most purposeful and fulfilling life at all. They're just going along with the motions, living day by day, paycheck to paycheck. So if you do want to live like that, perfectly fine. Keep on listening to average people doing average things. But if you do want more out of life, find someone who is doing what you're doing, who's either on the exact same path or has already achieved what you've achieved, or at least one step ahead of you. Just find someone who is related to what you want to do. If you're listening to people that aren't where you want to be or aren't even on the same road as you, then there's no point in listening to what they're saying, because what they're saying is completely irrelevant to you. For example, whenever I was in college, I realized that I wanted to hit financial freedom at a young age. And when I realized this, I realized that me listening to professors about how to get rich while I'm young is simply not going to happen. I realized that the path that I was on and the advice that I was listening to was not serving me well. Because one day after class, I just stayed after and I asked my professor, exactly what am I going to be learning in this course that I'm taking? Because I signed up for business finance because, finance, money, I wanted to make money. So I thought it was the best route to go. But basically, he was telling me that I was basically just going to be an employee for someone else. I was basically learning how to run the finances of someone else's business or someone else's company in the background, and I would get paid for that. Basically like a glorified job. And whenever he told me that, I realized that the path that I was on was not going to lead me anywhere. I realized that the advice I was listening to, all the courses, no matter how professional they might make it seem, no matter how, clean the hallways are, how much food they might give you, or how much you try to ruminate your throat, that college is the best route to go. I realized that it was not leading anywhere. That's not where I wanted to go. I wanted to be that 25, 30-year-old who's driving around in that Ferrari. That sounds very egotistical and like flexing and everything. That's just an example. I want to live a different lifestyle. That's really the goal. To live a different, more fulfilling, more enjoyable experience and lifestyle. That's what I want. And the path that I was on, it was just going to be mundane and boring and maybe slightly above average. Let's just say you're trying to go to location A, and then someone comes up to you and is like, no, you should go to location B because that's their favorite spot. If you want to go here and they want to go here, why would you try to listen to what they're saying? You need to really be selective of who you listen to. The advice and information that you take in, it is vital to who you're going to become. One of the best examples that I can think about is whenever people ask for financial advice from older people. Yes, if you ask an older person for financial advice, they'll tell you to invest into a 401k and a Roth IRA and, do that whole long-term route. But if you're like me and you don't want to wait 40 years to accumulate a large amount of wealth, listening to their advice is simply not going to be that helpful compared to listening to someone who's 25 and 30 and they found a way into a large amounts of wealth. The value and information you're going to get from the younger person is going to be so much more valuable than the older person because you're operating on two different time scales. So whatever you want to do in your life, be careful of who you listen to. That's very important. Be wary of the advice that you're taking. Is it actually going to help you, or is it leading you down a different road that you don't even want to go down entirely? If so, just avoid that because you only have one life. Don't waste your time going down someone else's road. Go down your road. If your road does not exist, pave your own road. And remember, if you take average advice from average people, how can you expect to be anything else other than average? Think about that. All right, thanks for watching. Peace out.